with a lesson of class 10, that is letter, written by Dhumketu. And this wonderful lesson gives us a large number of moral values and also tells us about those relations which are important in this world. So, coming first to the protagonist of this lesson or main character. So, he is Coachman Ali. He is a central character of this story letter. He is an old man now, and everybody can witness him going towards the post office. And he was such a devoted person for the letters that every day, early morning, he gets up from his bed, and first work that he used to do, it is to go to the post office and there to wait for his daughter's letter. Actually, his daughter Miriam, she was all alone, means she was only one daughter. When she got married to a soldier and being settled in Punjab, so Ali was waiting that someday my daughter will show her concern towards me and she will write a letter towards me. Actually, in his young life, Coachman Ali has been being a Sikari, and he was a skilled Sikari, or you may call hunter. Why he was a skilled hunter? Because he cannot spend a single day without hunting. Every day he used to go for hunting, and even his eyes were so sharp that the animals which were even hide from hunting dogs, he can recognize them, and as soon as he saw them, he killed them. Except it, he also goes with some of his fishermen friends for fishing. But now a change has came over in Ali's life when his own daughter has gone from him. Now he has understood the meaning of separation. Now he has understood how much pain he has given those small young ones of partridge whose mother he has killed and they were left to die over there. And now he wants only one letter. And for that, he was going to the post office 4-5 long years. At post office, all the employees, they used to laugh at him. They took him to a madman because he every day comes but he gets no letter. They started to laugh at him. They started to call his name even though they have no letter. But one day it happens that when Ali reached there, he was walking very weakly. He was taking very heavy breath. It seems that end of his life is very near. That's why he could not wait or sit on his usual bench. He directly went to the postmaster and asked him for the letter. But postmaster, who was in a hurry that day and wanted to go somewhere else, he wanted to go out of the village that day. He also became angry, and that's why he called him a pest. At this, Ali told him that my name is Ali, and now you have to get registered my daughter's name so that whenever you got the letter, you send it to me. At this, postmaster got more angry and he said that we are not going to eat your letter. As soon as it will come, we will send you. And saying this, he insulted him a lot. Actually, after that day, nobody has seen Ali. That day when Ali was showing, so he met one of our postmen who was a little bit considerate fellow or a fine-hearted fellow. His name was Lakshmi Das. He gave him 5 golden guineas with a promise that whenever my daughter's letter will come, you have to send this letter to my grave. Means now it has become clear to Ali that he was going to die. So Ali died that day and been buried in courtyard. Now, one day, it happens that same postmaster's daughter was ill in some other city. He was expecting a letter, but he could not get that letter that day. All the night, postmaster was waiting for the letter. All you know, children, that Ali had spent 5 long years in the same condition, but this only one night. That maid tortured to the postman. He was having feeling, how is my daughter? And that's why he realized the real condition of Ali. Now he was having sympathy with him, and he realized that how much hard he was to Ali when he was scolding him for not getting letter and coming every day. Next day he decided that if letter comes, I will give this letter to Ali by myself. Next day when the post opens, he found a letter that he expected to be his daughter's. But to his great surprise, this letter was addressed to Coachman Ali. And now it was like electric shock to him. Now he has recognized that yes, this was the letter for what? That old man was coming for 5 long years. Now he contacted to Lakshmi Das, and at the end of the day, both of them went to the grave and returned that letter there. And now postmaster was sitting at his home. He was thinking about Ali, who had spent 5 long years in such a suspense, such a doubtful conditions, whom he had recognized clearly. But unfortunately, he had to spend one more night here in waiting for the news of his own daughter. And it may be that he will get next day, but this story ends with one lesson, that we need not to laugh at anyone to see his condition. It is our duty. First, we will see why this person is in such and such condition. We must be compassionate. We must be kind to that fellow, so that his life is already full of some things, but a little bit help, a little bit kind behavior of us can make him happy. Thank you. That's all.